Hey, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes, and today we are going to be doing a quick review on the Miracase car phone holder package. In this one package, you'll see everything that is laid out on my trunk here, so you'll have several options. So before we get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, so I am actually filming this using a Galaxy S21. It's a rather large phone, and I have an OtterBox on it. So it's got to be able to hold a large phone and an OtterBox, and it does. I'm not actually using these two pieces. So this is the suction cup piece that you would actually put this piece on the dashboard and then pop this right on top of that. And then you can kind of move the phone up and down where you need it. This is adjustable, right? Just like that. So that piece I'm not using. So I guess I'll just keep that just in case I'll need it for something else. But what I am using is this piece that clips onto the my AC vent. And then this piece right here that actually holds the phone. Pretty simple looking. I'll show you how I put that together in just a second. Alright, so I've got this piece which actually clips to the AC vent with this piece right here, and this is, when you push that, it releases it. This is adjustable, so you can kind of see, like when I turn this little knob here, the hook elongates to however long you need it to catch the AC vent. So I'm actually going to take this piece right here on the back, and I'm going to, well, there goes my box. Just unscrew this piece right here, and kind of push it through like that, and push the ball into the back here, and screw this straight in, and so it's able to adjust to whatever angle you need as your phone is hanging on that AC vent. So I'm actually going to have to set this up like that. So you got to set it up so that this piece is catching it. I think this piece should be, you can turn it upside down if you need. I think that would be the best. Turn it upside down like that so that I can clip it. And this is actually using both this and this as a counterbalance, and it holds the phone pretty well. This is a, like I said, it's a Galaxy large phone with an OtterBox in it. I'm going to show you how I set it up in the car. Alright, so we've got this thing here. Before you actually put it into the vent, I'm actually having to show you this one thing I forgot. There's a little button back here, right? You hit this button, it widens the arms for you, and then you can push it in so it actually fits pretty much any phone that you need. I really like it, so that part is awesome. And right now I'm going to go ahead and plug it into the air vent. You can see the little hook. I elongated it as much as I could, and then I'm going to shorten it up right now because I think it's a little long. So I'm just going to turn this knob until it's nice and tight and it catches the air vent. So there it sits, just like that. And I hit my turn signal. So what I'm going to do is that when I'm done with it and I don't need this here, I can actually just hit this little button up here, squeeze it, and it releases from the air vent. So it's really easy to use. I like it. It even has a little opening port down here so that if you need to charge your phone, you can hang the cord right up through the bottom of the phone and do it like that. So anyway, I love this thing. It's super affordable. Check out the link below. If you have any questions, leave it down below. Give me a like, comment.